Hello everyone! Are you wondering how to eliminate that persistent cat smell in your home? Let's find out. Living with cats can bring joy and companionship, but it can also come with unwanted odors that linger in your home. Whether it's the scent of cat urine, litter box odors, or the general muskiness that comes with having a feline friend, there are several effective strategies for banishing those unpleasant smells and restoring freshness to your living space. Firstly, it's essential to address the source of the odor. Regularly cleaning your cat's litter box is crucial for preventing lingering smells. Scoop the litter box daily and replace the litter regularly to keep it fresh and odor-free. Consider using clumping or odor-absorbing litter to help neutralize odors more effectively. In addition to maintaining a clean litter box, it's essential to clean up any accidents promptly. Cat urine can quickly seep into carpets, furniture, and other porous surfaces, leaving behind a stubborn odor. Blot up urine stains with paper towels or a clean cloth, then clean the area with a mixture of water and a pet-specific enzymatic cleaner. Enzymatic cleaners break down the proteins in cat urine, effectively eliminating the odor at its source. Furthermore, regularly washing your cat's bedding, blankets, and toys can help keep odors at bay. Use a mild detergent in hot water to wash these items, and consider adding a cup of white vinegar to the rinse cycle to help neutralize odors. Additionally, vacuuming your home regularly can help remove cat hair, dander, and odor-causing particles from carpets, rugs, and upholstery. Moreover, incorporating odor-absorbing products into your home can help freshen the air and neutralize lingering smells. Place activated charcoal or baking soda in strategic locations around your home, such as near litter boxes, in closets, or next to furniture where your cat likes to lounge. These natural odor absorbers can help trap and neutralize odors, keeping your home smelling clean and fresh. In summary, eliminating cat smells from your home requires a multifaceted approach that addresses the source of the odor, cleans and deodorizes affected areas, and incorporates odor-absorbing products into your home. By following these tips and maintaining a clean and fresh living environment, you can enjoy the company of your feline companion without the unwanted smells that often accompany cat ownership. Please like the video and follow the channel for more related content. You can also support us on Patreon, so we can create more informational content like this. In exchange, we will feature your name in up to 1,000 videos every single month. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.